श्रीलंकेचे पंतप्रधान मैत्रीपाला सिरिसेना हांची आयतारा भारताचे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांचे कडेन भासाभास जाली। श्रीलंकेच्या प्रधानमंत्र्यान भारताचेर जाल्ल्या आकांतवादी हल्ल्याचो निषेध केला। भासाभासीत नुस्तेमारी ट्रोलिंग तशेंच श्रीलंकेचे भारता कडेन नाते कशे बळकट करूं येता हाचेर चर्चा जाल्या। आरडीएक्स खातीर दक्षिण गोंयच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस।
Minister had this morning was with President Sirisena of Sri Lanka. Prime Minister welcomed him to India. He thanked him for accepting the invitation to participate in the BRICS BIMSTEC outreach. He said the participation of all leaders of BIMSTEC will give new strength to BIMSTEC and to exploring synergies with the BRICS countries. The Sri Lankan President said he was very happy to be in India once again. He said this is another occasion when the bonds between India and Sri Lanka are further strengthened. He alluded to the long-standing relationship between the two countries. Thereafter, the two leaders reviewed the development, cooperation and partnership between India and Sri Lanka. President Sirisena talked about thanked Prime Minister for the gifting of the ambulances and said he hoped this would be extended to other provinces of Sri Lanka as well. He briefed Prime Minister on the progress in the rehabilitation projects in the northern province. Thereafter, there was a discussion on the thorny issue of the fishermen. President Sirisena said that he wanted a firm solution to the issue of the fishermen. Prime Minister agreed with him and said we must find a proper solution to this long pestering issue. As you know, we have invited the Sri Lankan Fisheries Minister to India and we hope that at that time the discussions would lead to some kind of mutually acceptable outcomes. Prime Minister briefed President Sirisena on the Uri terrorist attack. He said that the support that Sri Lanka had provided to India, the grief of India that had been shared by Sri Lanka, by the government and the people of Sri Lanka, he expressed his gratitude for that. And he said that as a result of the solidarity that the countries in the region had shown after the Uri terrorist attack, a message had gone across that people in our region want peace and they recognize that the biggest challenge to peace and prosperity is terrorism. The President of Sri Lanka said that Sri Lanka firmly opposed all forms and manifestation of terrorism. Thereafter, they reviewed bilateral cooperation in a whole host of areas such as energy, health. This was in the context of the Hatton Hospital. The Sri Lankan President thanked Prime Minister for all the projects that India is implementing in Sri Lanka.